Hey, so I'm Joy and I'm just here because I just want to give some advice to some people. I actually have a story behind it, and it doesn't revolve a guy or like, oh my gosh, like my girlfriend just like not wanting to talk to me anymore because, oh my gosh, like I don't really care. Like, that's not what it's about. It's just advice on life. Like, it's not even like, oh, like how you need to be up and down or everything. It's just the fact that, for the past, I mean, I'm in college. I'm a college student, clearly. Well, not clearly. I'm a college student. I'm a sophomore college, and being in that 19 awkward stage, I just know how it can be. Like, I know how some people struggle. Like, not struggle, but it's like no one really cares. It's not like I'm 18 anymore. Not woohoo ha. I'm an adult. Like parents, I'm independent. You're not independent. Trust me, you're not independent. You're like 50. Like, I'm not gonna be independent until I'm 50. Like, I know that. Like, and I'm not gonna be old until I'm like 100. Like, I'm gonna be a 4-year old for the rest of my life. Like, for the rest of my life. And I can admit that, and I'm an adult for admitting that I'm a child. Okay, let's get back to the story. So pretty much, don't let people like don't do what people are doing. Like, don't follow people. Like, if you're gonna follow people, like, just go home. Like, it's not, no, don't be a follower. Like, be a leader. Like dang, like, if you're gonna do something, be proud of what you do. That's the one thing I regret, right? Like, right now I've been like on like this road where it's like I'm just following people. Like, I'm out of that. Like, I'm like, whoa, shake me out. Like, what? Like, be a leader. Do what you want to do. If you want to do what everyone else is doing, then yeah, be a follower. But, be a little leader by saying, I'm not doing it because you're doing it. I'm doing it because I want to do it. But don't be that follower because you're going to regret, like, being young. Like, literally, like, think about it. Like, the people, like, think about the losers in life. If there are losers in life. But think about those people who, like, they get to, like, 50 and you're like, what did you do? Like, it's not even cool. Like, I can't even connect to you. Like, what did you even do? All these stories you're telling me are, like, Millie Bob and, like, Jolene. Like, none about you, Sarah. Like, nothing about you. You just like to tag along. Like, they use you for your money, for anything, whatever. They're just using you because they want you to be there to, like, see how fun they're doing. Like, don't be that person who just, like, oh, my friends, like, we're going out to the club and they're hitting on all these guys and all. If the club's not your scene, the club's not your scene. Don't go to the club. Go to places that you're gonna be like, bam, pow, poo, poo, pow. Look at me, girlfriend. I'm owning it. Own it. That's another thing. Own it. Because being a leader, you're owning what you're doing. When being a follower, you're like, oh, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Don't be this. I owned it, and I remember doing that, and I'm proud of that. I was shaped into who I am today because of that. That's what you want to do every single day. So I want you to wake up tomorrow morning and be like, I did it. I did this. She didn't tell me to just tag along. It was my idea. It was my plan. You did it. You did it, girlfriend. Girl power. Be an adult. Learn who you want to be. And be, oh, that's like a Barbie thing. Barbie. Barbie girl. Be who you want to be, right? Okay, yeah. So be a leader, don't be a follower, and you won't be like, oh, I wasted my life. Huh? Okay. Bye, guys. Don't be a follower.